At first glance, this connector looks pretty simple, but if you look a little closer, you will notice that different parts have different height, and that's where the challenge begins. Instead of asking customers to buy different lenses and test everything themselves, we did the evaluation in our test lab. For me, this is what our job is really about, not just selling products, but help customers solve problems, helping them save time, avoid mistakes, and get the right solutions. That's what we do at VICO.